Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best kids toy vacuums that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best kids toy vacuums. Looking to include your child in daily activities while encouraging responsibility and modeling chores? A toy vacuum can do just that. Then we'll go over some of the best toy vacuums out there. Number 5. Living Pretend Play Cleaning Cart, Child. Great for children ages 3 years old and up, this cleaning set has 4 wheels and moves easily from space to space. Wooden Pretend Play Cleaning Cart. Has knobs, hooks and slots to keep tools. Great for children ages 3 years and up. Number 4. FisherPrice Corn Popper. This baby vacuum allows your child frustration-free pretend play. Wide set wheels let this unit run easily over both carpet and smooth floor. Fun poppity-pop sound and action. Sturdy design for beginning walkers. A classic toy to keep your baby engaged. Number 3. PlayGo 2-in-1 Vacuum. This toy vacuum is suitable for children 2 years of age and older and runs on 3C batteries. It's not a functioning vacuum cleaner, but it's a great addition to your creative play area. 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Hand vacuum that makes real sounds. Has a removable dust catcher. Number 2. Little Helper Portable Cleaning Set, Dustpan. Made of non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy set is BPA-free, phthalate-free, and lead-free. Real cleaning gear for toddlers to tidy up. Teaches girls and boys about jobs and important skills. Made of high-quality ABS plastic material. Number 1. Dyson Little Helper Vacuum is the full-size vacuum in your home. If you're looking for a toy vacuum that really works, this is worth a second glance. This is a lightweight stick model with working suction and cyclonic action just like the real thing. Realistic role play for exploring imagination. Developing social skills. Replica design with iconic colors. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.